Today's tutorial is the first of its kind. I have never done a lipstick or lip gloss tutorial, so here it is. Welcome to the Beauty Zone. I'm Felicia, and I decided I would try these Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink lip glosses. We have three colors here. The first color is called Huntress, and it's kind of a mauve gray. Very pretty color. Next is Escapist. Escapist reminds me of Max Aaliyah's version of 1 in a Million. And last but not least, we have Pioneer, which is a pretty red. I purchased these from Target for $7 and some change. Walmart does have them, but they didn't have the colors that I was looking for. So if you go to Walmart, it is a little bit cheaper, but they just didn't have the selection the day that I went. These colors are really, really pretty though. I wanted to see how well the drugstore lip glosses would do, so that I don't always have to wear my MAC, because I wear MAC 100% of the time. So it's nice to have a drugstore alternative. So Maybelline claims that this will stay on all day long, that it lasts, even through eating, you know, hot days, cold days, whatever, it's supposed to last. So it is true to color. The consistency is a little thick, so if you don't like thick lip glosses, then this might not be for you. The sponge applicator is very soft. I didn't find that the lip gloss was clumpy or anything, but it is very hard to remove. So I'm trying first with just a tissue to remove the lip gloss, or stain, but it was really hard. So the best way to remove this stain is actually just to use makeup remover. Okay, so this is the first one, which I believe is Huntress. For me, I like an opaque look. I intentionally did not use a liner, but for me, I always wear a liner every single day with my MAC lip glasses. But I wanted you to be able to see what it looks like without a liner. It took 3 applications though for me to get that opaque look where you didn't see, you know, the pinks of my tint of my lip poking out. But I think this is a very pretty color. I would wear it for a special occasion, or, you know, if I'm wearing an outfit that is a little more edgy or trendy. Cleanup was pretty easy with a Q-tip. The next color is Escapist. And again, if you're into MAC and you checked out the Aaliyah collection that came out last fall, this color is comparable to the 1 in a Million color. Deep burgundy, red burgundy. Very pretty. Again though, 3 applications. So if you don't like applying and applying and applying and applying, then this might not be the product for you, but it's very pretty on. Last but not least is Pioneer. I don't wear a lot of reds, but I love red. It seems like red looks great on everyone else but me. But I do have the MAC Rihanna red, which I hardly ever wear, but I just had to have it. But I'm kind of feeling this red. It's not an orangey red. To me, it's more of a pinkish red. And I think it looks good without a liner. But you guys let me know what you think. Which one of the colors did you like best on me? Okay, Huntress, Pioneer, or Escapist? Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you'd like me to do more videos like this as well. Take care.